Now, these retail trading platforms can be downloaded through our broker platforms. So if you go to your broker, for example, HFM Markets, and go to their website, so you would find the several tabs here. So you go to the trading tab. You can see here we have platforms, we have accounts, we have pricing. So on the accounts, you can see HFM has several accounts. We have the cent account, the zero account, the pro plus, the premium, and the ones that come with a bonus. And with the platforms, HFM has built its own platform called HFM Platform. And we have the MT4, we also have the MT5, and you can go to the comparison to see the difference between each in terms of the features. You can see MT4, MT5 against these features. So trading within HFM app is only available on HFM platform because it's the only HFM app. So these are not HFM app, they are simply MetaQuote applications. And for time frames, you can see from MT4 it has 9 time frames, and for MT5 it has more time frames. You can see 21 time frames. We have more technical indicators with MT5, analytical objects with MT5. MT5 have built-in economic calendar. The platform speed is the MT5 has more speed compared to the MT4, and HFM platform execute through the MT5. So pending order types for the MT4 we have 4. Here we have 6. So you can look and see clearly the difference between each of the platforms. So we are looking to download this platform. So we go directly to MT4 if you want to download the MT4. So you can see here there are a bit of brief about the MetaTrader 4. And here we have the download button. So download MT4, and you can choose between the Windows, for Mac, or for Linux. So once you click any of these three, it will download your MT4 automatically. The same for the MT5. So you have brief about MT5, trade on MetaTrader 5 with ultra fast execution speed. We can go to download MT5. You can download for Windows or download for Mac. So once you click any link, it will download automatically.